to know about your Roblox friends' online status. Means when your Roblox friends was last online, when she or he joined the Roblox, what are the items used in the Roblox avatar preparation as well as the Roblox places he or she visits. If you see, I have logged into the My Roblox account and by default Roblox shows home page with the list of friends and recommended games. I am choosing one of friends and clicking on his profile. Now focus on the current wearing or friend's avatar. It's not showing any other options except to look in 3D. This page is also showing what are the items was choose and purchase to make his or her avatar. But that is always showing on the screen. I cannot hide it. Even this page is also showing the other information related to my friends but not his or her inventory. Now I am going to enable the BTR setting in the Roblox to see the magic in the My Friends profile page. There are various configuration related to the BTR Roblox but I will focus on the only profile configuration. Let's enable this option. Close the configuration pop-up and refresh the main Roblox page by pressing the F5 keyboard button. Now, I am getting the information when my Roblox friends join the Roblox. Last online is showing as now, it means he or he is active now and playing the Roblox game or doing something. Now I am asking my friends to go offline. Let's see what's happened. I know my friend is now offline and Roblox is showing he was online 9 seconds ago. It means this feature is working properly. Here, we have also feature to hide and unhide to see the items were used by friends to make his or her Roblox avatar. Same way BTR Roblox functionality can be used to see the online status of any Roblox friends. Disabling of this feature can be done in the easy way by following the approach shown in the video. How to install and uninstall the BTR Roblox, please follow the other videos in the Panda Tech Tips YouTube channel. Now tutorial is end. If you find this tutorial is helpful, please consider to subscribe the channel. Keep liking and commenting on videos. Thank you for watching.